Alright. I got a lot of berries. He actually got one this time. Try to get it from him.
You better get it. Yep, you gotta go chase him.
Oscar! Oscar, no! Hola!
Hey, Cat in the Hat.
Hello.
Hey guys, we're doing a Halloween vlog. But we kind of got a late start on the Halloween vlog, so Vanessa's actually finishing up.
Yeah, almost done. I'm Cat in the Hat, and I'm going with my 2 other friends, and they're gonna be Thing 1 and Thing 2, and they're gonna be like my minions. They don't know that though.
They don't know that.
But, like, doesn't Cat in the Hat like control them?
Yeah, I think actually he does in the story. You're right. Very funny.
Oh, and I got my Cat in the Hat socks.
Nice.
They're both different.
Nice.
So I got my Cat in the Hat socks, and I'm wearing my Adidas because it's white and black. Well, these look more like gray because they're so dirty because I wear them at school, but...
So Vanessa's going as Cat in the Hat, and she's like 90% ready to go. We got to dress up Charlie though too, or not Charlie.
Oscar.
Oscar. Charlie's gonna get dressed up later. We're not gonna put him in his costume yet, but Oscar's gonna go with us to
Mimi's house.
To Mimi's house. Yes, we're gonna go get Mimi and Kendall, and we're gonna show you guys all that. You want to put Oscar in his? It was right over there. His Superman outfit. Yeah, I think it's right over there.
But oh my gosh, Oscar, get back here. Get back here. Come on.
Oh no, I don't know that he's excited about the Superman costume.
Superman! I don't know if he likes it or not. I think he's teething right now.
Oh my gosh, he's teething. What has he been doing?
I know. He bit, so we have a microphone for our sound is louder. And he bit through the microphone, so my dad had to split it, or what is it called?
Yeah, he chewed right through the cord on the microphone in our studio.
He's teething so hard right
He's
now.
He's teething so bad.
No bitesies. No bitesies. No bitesies. Here, let's get one of yours for. And I kind of have a cold right now.
Yeah, the weather got kind of cold in Florida.
Oh my gosh. Oscar, you're being a rascal. Oscar.
If only he could fly.
Whoa, you flew! You like that? You're running him right in the face. So we're about to go to Kendall's and Mimi's house, and we're kind of running late. I think so, because we had a vlog. Are we?
Yeah, we're always running late.
Yep. So we get to go there, and you guys get to see them as Thing 1 and Thing 2. And so then we're gonna go, and you're gonna get to see Taylor get ready. Hopefully you get to see the whole thing and not like just like bam.
The last part of it.
Bam.
All right, so we're gonna go with the car. We'll see you at Mimi's house.
Bye.
They're so big. Actually, that's a really big
He
overstatement.
was smaller than when we got him. He was like half the size.
All right, well, we finally got Vanessa to her Thing 1 and Thing 2. What you guys' plans for tonight?
Trick or treating.
Okay, so Taylor and her friends are going out tonight, so there's totally a contest of who gets the most candy.
We're gonna win.
You think you guys are gonna win?
I'll find the best houses. The one with the full-size candy bars.
Yeah.
Nice.
Those count as 10 points.
Oh, do they? We'll have a
Those
point
are so
scale.
hard to find.
Oh, that's true. That's true. All right, so we're going to leave Vanessa here with her friends, but I want you guys to go check out Kendall and Mimi's channels. They have a YouTube channel, and there's a new video every Friday. They have awesome videos. We'll post a link in the bio down below.
Yay!
All right? You guys tell them trick or treat and be safe.
Oh, no. Oscar for the first time.
I know. See you later.
You're going to see Taylor get ready, so not
Yeah,
bye.
we're going to go get Taylor ready.
Not bye yet.
Not by yet.
Not by yet.
I came back from dropping off Vanessa, and I missed Taylor getting ready. I know. You guys see what she is? She's still got to get her shoots on, and she still has to get her vest.
Leather vest on. But I am being a biker chick with all of my friends, so we're like kind of in a gang together.
What does your shirt say?
It says, "Not your baby." I had to read it first because I totally forgot what my shirt said.
Nice, and you straightened your hair. I like your look.
Thank you.
And then you guys are gonna go trick or treating.
Yeah.
Or are you just hanging out at a friend's house?
We don't know yet.
I know.
Yeah.
Okay, Vanessa has a competition for you. She wants to see who gets the most candy.
Oh, probably her. They probably have a map of the neighborhood. And they're like, okay, these people give out the full-size candy bars. We need to go there like 3 times.
I'm just saying, you look super cute, but if you ever like showed up in real life like that, you'd be in trouble.
Yeah, that would be pretty bad.
All right, go get your leather jacket on.
He caught the memo, guys! I know, I forgot that. Oh, Jordan, have you seen the video? Jordan, where it's like...
Alright, seriously, I don't have any pictures.
Do that. It is dark. Newsflash. Kind of...
Right now, want to take the pictures?
Yes, I need the pictures. If you guys get under the light, it might be better.
Taylor, I also need you going like this. Yeah, all of us right now. Clicking.
I didn't need your hair.
Yeah, but like it's not.
It's a fancy
Me too, fire.
scarf. Okay,
Yeah.
I didn't get it.
It doesn't jump really high.
I'm also the one who got the plate.
Do it again.
Ready? Oh, I missed that time.
It's okay, I got you going like that. Hi. Want to take pictures? Pictures?
Yes, I would do it right under this light. If you guys will stand in the grass, we'll do pictures real quick.
I got you.
My dad, so it's good. Okay, here we'll do the yeah.
Awesome. What are you guys doing?
Separating out our candy. Oscar's one.
Oscar's whining. He wants out because he wants your candy. We had to put him up.
Nope, Sunday.
Who do you think won the contest?
Vanessa definitely did.
Me and my friends were playing out. We just have to get more candy than her. We'll be all good.
Taylor, did you have fun with your friends?
Yes, I did.
Charlie.
Did he get a piece?
No.
Charlie, you cannot have candy. At least Charlie's a good boy. He can be around the candy and just watch. Oscar, he's a bad boy. Taylor, what's your favorite candy?
The Kit Kats and the Reese's.
Kit Kats and Reese. Vanessa, what's your favorite candy? Starburst. Are you guys going to do any trading?
I don't know.
He's that out, man. Let's see what she has. Me and my friends traded a lot, so I have a lot of candy I like.
Do you guys do that at home? Comment down below if you guys separate out your candy and then trade.
Should it be illegal for teachers to assign homework?
What?
On Halloween, how much homework did you have tonight?
I had more like 2 of the teachers that never assigned homework gave me homework tonight.
Yeah, that seems a little unfair.
Seriously.
You've dumped over all your toys. Look at this. And you threw a fit and you tore up your bed. You can't get out. You'll eat the candy. It'll make you sick. Candy is not good for puppies. I know. Just a while longer and they'll be done. I know, you're so pitiful.
Just let him out.
He'll eat the candy.
We'll make sure he won't. I'm not sure of that.
All right, we'll try. I bet. I bet you this will last 5 minutes.
Fluff some rice now.
Here it comes.
He gets really close to it, but it doesn't look like he's biting any of it.
Just wait.
He's just getting rich.
You can't ruin the piles.
Don't ruin the pile. Oscar, no. No.
He's not biting. He's just
messing them up.
Come here, baby. Oh. He just wants to smell everything. So he just ruins. Don't go to the Smarties. The Smarties are just back.
Nah. What are you doing with your woman?
Oscar, stop it! He's doing this on purpose.
He knows we don't look out.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hey! Alright. I got a lot of berries.
He actually got one this time. Try to get it from him.
You better get it. Yep, you gotta go chase him.
Oscar!
Oscar, no! He's hiding, but he's fast. Charlie's helping me. Charlie, get him! Ooh. Where are you gonna go? Ooh. This is not for you.
No! no. Shoot.
See, this is.
Hey!
No.
Back and forth.
Stop.
This is why he needs to go in his cage.
No. Run.
Then you gotta go chase him.
See if I can get a shot of you both. Probably not. Oh, look, I did.
And until next time.